Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building a Complex Reinforcement Learning Agent with Multi-Agent Systems. Imagine a team of robots working together. Like a soccer team, each robot, agent, has its own job, but they need to cooperate to win the game. That's a multi-agent system. In AI, we create these systems using reinforcement learning, where the agents learn by trial and error to achieve a common goal. Think of it like teaching a team to play soccer without giving them specific instructions. Just rewards for good teamwork and penalties for bad teamwork. Reinforcement learning is like training a pet. You give it a treat, reward, when it does something good, and ignore it or say, no. Penalty, when it does something bad. Over time, the pet learns what actions lead to rewards. In our AI system, the agents receive rewards for helpful actions and penalties for unhelpful ones, improving their performance. Let's go back to our soccer team. The robots are the agents, and the soccer field is the environment. We need to define rules for how the agents can interact with the environment, e.g., kicking the ball, running. We also define the reward system. Scoring a goal is a big reward. The reward system is crucial. It needs to incentivize the desired behavior. For example, a reward could be given for passing the ball to a teammate, but a penalty for kicking it out of bounds. A well-designed reward system helps agents learn to cooperate effectively. Building these systems isn't easy. Agents might clash with each other, or one agent might cheat to get a reward for themselves, hurting the team's overall performance. We need to carefully design the system to avoid these problems. Let's look at a simple game, agents collecting items in a maze. Each agent can only see a small part of the maze. They need to collaborate to collect all the items, getting a reward for successful collaboration and penalties for collisions or inefficiency. We'll look at a simple code example to see how it works. There's a lot more to explore in multi-agent reinforcement learning, including communication between agents, decentralized control, and dealing with unpredictable environments. We'll touch on some of these advanced topics and point you to resources for further learning. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.